Welcome, students. In this video, you will learn how to create a Testing and Education Reference Center account so that you can access full-length ACT practice exams. We'll start by answering a few questions. We are high school students, and we want to prepare for a test. It is a college entrance exam, and from here we can select ACT Prep. Once you get to the ACT page, click the down arrow where it says ACT Online Course and select Start Now. At this point, you'll be brought to a login or register page. You will need to create a new account because you've likely never had one before. So you'll need to input first name, your last name, and an email address, a username, password, and security question. Then click Sign Up Now. Chances are you'll be prompted to save your password by Chrome up here in the corner, and I would recommend saving your password in case you don't have the best memory the next time you'd like to log in. I already have an account set up, so I'm going to log in now and go to my home page. All right, at this point, I am brought to a home page, and on the right-hand side of my screen, I will see a series of pre-assessments for the different subject areas on the ACT. Now, I've already taken a look at the English and reading sections myself, but you will choose the one that your course instructor has instructed you to work in. And let's go ahead and click on one just so we can take a look at what these actually look like. So, we are now inside a science full-length practice exam. You'll notice that the passage is on the left-hand side of the screen, and we have our question and our answer choices here to the side. If I want to select an answer choice, I simply click on the answer, and I'm ready to move on. At the top of my page, I can navigate through different questions. So if you would like to start, for example, in the middle of the test, you can click on question number 20, and it will take you directly there. We'll also see the time scrolling at the top. This is the official ACT time that is allotted for each section. You can also mark a question. Perhaps you'd like to come back to it later on, or you were unsure and would like to revisit it. So once this check mark has been filled in, you'll notice that an asterisk has appeared next to that question number. So as I navigate the test, I can easily see which questions I have marked if I'd like to return in the future. Now let's answer a few more questions here. And I'm going to pretend now that I'm finished with my exam. So at this point, I will come to the top right-hand side of the screen and click the Score button. I will now be brought to this page where it says Pre-Assessment Results. So I'm going to see some helpful information here. I can view my test results either by the test subject, using this drop-down menu. That's going to bring me to a page that will show me detailed information about the types of questions that I got correct and overall statistics about my performance for each exam. I can also visit answers and explanations. By doing this, I can go through my test question by question to see which ones I got correct and which ones I got incorrect. I can review passages if necessary. And I also have explanations for the correct answer at the bottom of the screen. So hopefully this video has helped you learn to navigate your new TERC account. If you have questions, reach out to your course instructor.